Hello, I'm DriveMaster, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to park in the front. It's very easy if you know all the rules. Last time we talked about how to do reverse parking. I leave the link in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note, when choosing a starting position for parking, you should bear in mind that when the car is in forward motion, it is less maneuverable. Hence, it makes sense to stay away from the parking space. The farther you are from the parking space, the easier it is to park. Okay, step 1. Find an available parking space. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. The farther away from the parking space, the better. We will be guided by the car parked in the next parking spot. Move forward until your right mirror is in line with the headlight of the car parked in the next parking space. Step 3. Look in your side mirrors and make sure you are not in anyone's way or causing an accident. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly start driving. Pay attention to how our car's back end is located in relation to the space. The difficult moment here is that if we do nothing and continue to move, we will fail to fit into the dimensions of the parking spot. To avoid this, you should proceed as follows. When the front corner of your car will be inside the parking space, you should turn the steering wheel to the left and put your wheels straight. When the rear of the car is in the middle of the parking space, turn the steering wheel back to the right and align the car parallel to the parking space. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road.